Good morning. My name is Theresa, and currently I'm studying data analytics at the DMZ KAM. From the first 2 or 3 modules I've gone through, I've been able to know the definition of data analytics and the use of data. I've been able to differentiate between data analytics and data science. So far, I have learned that data can be used for predictions, such as predicting how the weather will turn out to be today or how the weather will be in the next month or the next year. This is all through the help of data. I have also been able to learn about spreadsheets, functions and formulas which I had no idea about before this course, and also data life cycles, the life processes, and how to solve problems with data analysis. I also want to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to our sponsors of this program. It is Thank you for this opportunity, and God bless you.